People can blood clot setting my out right now nowadays, dog. For man want dig off all your face, you laugh and walk off, my friend. Can watch it now? So when you stay some books and react to that and go hurt somebody, dog, because a man don't see or don't know your intention in a dog. You see me? You have a meds, bro. Humble, dog. Let's chat things when you go road, dog. Dog. But you see, cause the media, dog, man, them when they come off of media too, them do this lipping for the media, dog. When they come off of the media, they feel like same gesture, bro. You see me? They come off of the media, dog, I'm there in the street and I'm chatting with them boy or girl, dog. You see me? You hear and you go through. I got a road and somebody there on red hands. If I feel like fiance, me answer, bro. If I feel like fiance, me step, bro. You see? I'm here, man. Not much time people test my feet on the road. I want to your yard, me I go in, me and my youth to go into, dog. I'm a woman and my blood clot it me to go into. Nothing can stray my mind, bro. You see it? Nothing, dog. Enough time me dark in the streets, dog. Dark. When people say some things, my friend, chip my head, bro, but what? Just laugh, dog. I say no, so them people are trying to draw me to get some money because them broke and hungry, dog, like myself. You see me? Yeah, bro. Don't feel like a joke, my friend. You see it? I'm gonna stop laughing in your life. Lando come out soon. See you soon, Lando. If the police them know him, he can get station bail, so the fucking problem. Oh, I'm cooking. I'm just cooking some food, love. I'm cooking what's in the house. Rice here, yeah? Eh? Alright. Now look up for regular rice with a different kind of rice. No regular rice around here. I'm gonna cook soup. Look off some cock soup sitting. You get me I say? Cock soup sitting here, look off. I mean cock soup sitting. New dish. Cock soup sitting. You see me? Yeah. When I can go on now, I mix up done. Just give me 2 cents and tell my mother-in-law, say, don't look. Don't blood clot, look. In a business of a boy and jail. They're going to make police feel some type of way. You take a look. You see what I say? You see me? One half a minute, what me I say? Reality me I talk about. Don't look. Don't blood clot, look. Understand? I mean, I have to tell you the truth, brother. The reality, me I tell you, you know. The reality, me I tell you now, whether I don't like it or not, bro. Now why people don't like me? So me not sugarcoat nothing there. Me not sugarcoat nothing in a friend. You see me? Nothing at all me not sugarcoat, bro. Talk is how it is, bro. And people are ever worry about me pot. Ever worry about me lily pot them when me a cook. Me not cook nothing. I saw food for last night. I fry me a fried dumpling them when me cook. For last night. You see me? And flash out a 1 mackerel. Me not cook. Hot me hot up something. Cook different from hot up. Hot me hot up something, you know. Yeah. Everybody life hot and to mix cool no blood clot. Alright, I laugh. Them if you know the difference between cook and hot up. When you hot up, you hot up. Baby? Baby? Babe? Alia? You can't go live, go check for your stepfather for me because I don't want your mother and nothing with that brother there. Eh? What you say? Me not mix you, me have to say we have to protect your mother. Who fucking give a fuck if it's serious? Is my life serious? Nobody care? Everybody blood clot a drama right now to me. See, nothing is serious about getting locked up. Alright, I'm going to go but why you go like go check for me? You not check for me? What you say? Let's try to be. Big up the sun taps on chat. Bombo clock. May I come, baby? Jesus. Alright, bro. Alright, I got you. Alright. BSA that complain always about the grease. I now cook nothing with no grease today. This is a greaseless pot. No eyeliner in my pot. No, I'm chat. What happened? No one know bumbuckler people business too much. That me I tell you now. My business about people business too much. Bumbuckler. I'm going to mind in our own business. Go over somewhere else. Thank you. Excuse me. All of my real people them know where they are, so we're not talking about mix up. That was just an advertisement a while ago. The people know what go on for the app. Otherwise we don't need that now. We wanna deal with my good body ladies them. Ladies them will get up and brush teeth a man in time. Eh? One of them.